Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we will be working on the interior, starting with issue 41. And as a note, I have not received a shipment from Model-Space since this past summer, and so now I'm working on finishing my backlog, which is substantial but not enough to finish the car. And since Model-Space is having issues at the moment, I have no idea when I'll get the next shipment. Let's move on. First we need stage 41. But also we need this floor, like the main interior floor from pack 40, plastic. And we need the brake light switch from the electrics. And we're not done there because I'm gonna add this carpets from Mike Lane. That is gonna be a fun video. To start the carpets, I need to first put this bulkhead in place and put 3 HP screws from the bottom. I am going out of sequence just for the record because of the carpets. Like so. Then I'm gonna install the carpets. I'm gonna try to line this up as best I can. This looks fine. Like so. It's not perfect, but all the holes line up mostly, so I'm okay with that. Like so. It's mostly fine. It is better than I hoped for. And the next is the center console. This might be a little tricky. And fold this down. And that's looking mostly fine. So now we can focus on actually stage 41. Then we need the brake pedal that has a round hole in the end, and a spring. So first we take the spring with the pedal and then push it through, put the bracket on the other side and put an AP screw on it to hold it together. Like so. And then we take the clutch pedal and that just slots in the bulkhead. Like so, and doesn't move. Then we take the go fast pedal, and that just slots in, should slot and that goes with a GP screw from the back, like so. And I had to line the bottom with the align the bottom with the floor, but that is like so. So then we take the brake pedal switch that goes in the bracket like so somehow, that attaches with a AP screw like so, and that attaches to the bulkhead like so with also an AP screw like so. And that is stage 41 complete. Then we need stage 42, and we get these panels which go on the corners, but first we need to put carpets on them, like so. And like most things before, it's not perfect, but it's fine. Now we take the both that are marked L on the back and put those together, and these just like so, and touch with a GP screw. It's a bit tricky, but it's in. So the small piece, it may have gone into floor and entered another dimension. When it returns, I will add it later, but at least we can screw in the bigger piece, also with a GP screw. At least that is on. Now we get to install these seat rails. I guess these are identical. And these are held in with 2 AP screws each from the underside, like so. And that is stage 42 complete. So now we are up to stage 43. First we take the small red handle that goes on the right side, of the base, put the middle handle on the left, just holds in. Then we take a big handle that goes like so. Then we need to put this bracket here and secure that with a CP screw. That's in. That took a while to line up, like so. Then I need to put these together. and put the shift knob on top. This piece needs to go in here. In a specific way. That is held in with an IP screw. From the bottom. Like so. Not sure if you can see it, but it's down in the hole. This should fit in. Like so. And the base needs 2 IP screws. And the handbrakes itself needs AP screws. 2 of them. Like so. Put the small handles back. And then we take the gear lever. And that goes on from the bottom. Like so. Falls off. Do that later. And then the bracket underneath, that goes on with 2 GP screws. Like so. And then we put gear knob back on. And then we need to put this tiny let's focus. Then we need to put this tiny shift marking on the end of the gear knob. Like so. That is stage 43 complete. And with stage 43 done, I'm gonna end this video, and I'll see you all next time.